Hey guys, welcome back to the garage, this time around to give back to my patrons community. Sometimes companies send me parts to install and review, and sometimes I have doubles. As a matter of fact, this Kemimoto LED Headlight for the F800GS, it is a double. I reviewed it, I installed it, but I already have on the bike an LED headlight, and mine is all scratched up and it's been installed for a while, so I decided to give the brand new one to one of my patrons. If you do like that headlight, by the way, and you want to get one for yourself, the link is in the description, as well as the link for the brand new I Love My V4 shirt. Go check it out. Super cool. I made it, so super cool. But how am I gonna do this? This is gonna be a one take, so I'm not gonna cut or edit anything. Whatever it's going on the GoPro right now is gonna go on YouTube. I have a list of names on the left hand side. I have a random number generator on the right hand side. And without further ado, let's generate a number, see who's gonna get it. 4. Yes. Eat. Dude, great. I mean, I speak with those guys on the Discord server all the time, on a daily basis. They're pretty much friends. So I know who's got what, but in this case, the universe or karma, whoever chose right, because it has a F800GS, so that light should actually fit. My thing is, if I select you and you don't have the bike that the parts goes for, get on the Discord server and talk to your fellow guys that have that motorcycle and get something for it, but don't sell it to them at full price, so everybody wins. But in this case, I think that headlight is actually compatible with the F800GS as well as the F650GS. So great. Dude, I'm gonna give you a call on the Discord server or somehow, but if I don't call, I'm gonna call you before this video comes out. I'm gonna call you actually as soon as I'm done here. Sorry for my chit-chatting, but I'm really excited because who knew? But if you do like that headlight for yourself and you didn't win it, go check down below in the description. There's gonna be a link. If you like this shirt, go check in the description. If you want a chance to win whatever next giveaway is gonna be, I have no idea. We'll see what I have, and that's what is gonna go. Sign up for my Patreon. If you are entertained by what I do in the garage, just subscribe to YouTube. Other than that, right now I'm quarantined because I've been exposed and I took a test and I'm stuck in the garage, so this is the perfect moment for me to do all those in garage stuff. I feel good. I haven't got the test results yet, so I can't go to work and I can't get in the house. I'm pretty much spending most of the day in the garage and the night in the bedroom, isolated from the family. So it's annoying, but it is what it is. Other than that, you guys out there stay safe. If you like the video, like. If you love the video, subscribe. If you don't love the video, subscribe anyway, because you never know. I'm gonna go call Eat and let him know that he just won that. But before I forget, to make sure that you guys see what's going on, let's see how I can do this. There we go. Number 4 over here, and 4 on this side is Eve, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoy. Cheery on, dirt on, stay safe, whatever. I'll see you next time.